What's up, guys? Mr. Master DeCario here with another vlog-ish kind of thing. Today we're going to be experimenting with stuff. We are going to be deep frying some various foods that we find in Jacob's kitchen.
Chick, what about a pretzel?
We were making some
Chick, what about a pretzel?
French toast. And right now we're going to try first.
Yeah, we're gonna deep fry a pretzel.
It's a banana.
Oh.
We're gonna deep fry a granola bar. If Jacob can get the stuff that he needs.
I'm just gonna
Let's
deep fry a pretzel.
Maybe.
Yeah, pretzels are
So
are
let's
cool.
see. Deep fry granola bar.
I'm trying to make it.
We will get there when the oil cooks. Alright, we're back. And I mean this is meant for you. So there.
I'm eating a banana.
It's a pretzel.
So the other one was
We are deep
it a
frying
pretzel?
the granola bar.
Hopefully my dad doesn't come home. It's like dissolving.
Yeah, it looks like this is all pretty kind of.
Or like it's falling
All the
apart.
pieces
It's
falling
like all mushy now.
Yeah.
Not working. That doesn't work.
Let's put it on a plate. Let me eat it. Put it on a plate and I'm gonna eat it. Just put it there. Alright, here, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this piece.
Ewy.
It's soft.
Yeah.
It just breaks apart.
All the stuff that if we break it in half, all this other stuff I'll eat.
It tastes like a granola bar, but it's more like it just tastes like a warm granola bar. Alright, we'll be back when we find the next option.
I
Alright.
live my life.
So we're now gonna try a dog treat and give it to Jacob's dog baby right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna make sure it's cool, so
Don't hate. What if baby throws up after this? Ah, why?
You gotta turn it off.
I got it.
Dang it!
Ow! Hit me.
Dang it!
I got it. I got it.
Oh, dang it, Jake! You suck!
I'm burning down the house just like my mom told me not to do.
Wait,
And it's all on video too.
Look at it.
It looks good. Is that a piece of popcorn in there?
Probably. What if it starts popping?
Wait.
It popped.
Yeah, there's there's like kernels in there, so that's that's actually kind of. You didn't put that in there, did you?
No, I didn't.
Ah! Don't. Are you trying to catch me on fire?
Mm-hmm.
Want to go? I'll throw you into the fire. It's
That's
totally
good.
big enough.
Get it.
Good. Nobody.
Ben. No,
Ben,
no,
you get
no,
it.
get it.
I got baby.
That,
Do it.
See, I have to do it, and I gotta make sure that.
it looks good though.
I thought you were
Butter.
All right, banana.
Well, that's flashback. That's flashback. It's good. There's like random stuff in here. It's a little
It's
high.
really. It's really cool. Did you put it
Oh,
back in
it's
there?
turning brown. It's like golden brown.
What is that?
It's banana.
A banana.
Here, we'll all have one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't plop it. Don't plop it.
Ah!
Are you stupid?
He just said not to plop it.
Actually, I think I am pretty stupid.
Wait, watch out. Watch out.
Potato, beat by potato.
Wait, what? This is a good idea.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give it to baby now.
But yeah. Is it cool?
It's still a bit warm.
Lay down.
Babe, lay
Sit.
down.
Lay down.
Sit.
Dang it!
God dang it.
Baby,
Hurry
sit.
up, Ben, go get it. Hurry up.
Let's see if baby likes it. Oh, God. That's two.
Oh, you. My knee, I'm doing.
Pop.
Wait, the fire?
How baby like it?
No.
Oh.
I turned it off. I turned the
Alright,
fire off.
I'm gonna
Well,
try.
how
I'm gonna
big
try
you
my
like it?
deep fried banana.
Try one.
It's crispy but very sweet.
Oh yeah, it's
Wow.
hot. This is hot. hot banana, hot banana, hot banana. It burns your
Just
hand.
squeeze it. Just like coldly entice it. Alright, I'm gonna open the stove on now.
Pretzel. Man, you really
I'll try one.
Make sure the.
I already have pretzels.
Yeah, I want to.
Man, you're the guy that has one.
All right.
There.
Deep fried Fruit Loop.
Yeah, deep fried Fruit Loop. Yeah, I put an extra one in there for baby.
No.
Deep fried banana, deep fried pretzel for baby. Ooh,
Deep fried Fruit Loop. Let me get in there.
I totally didn't break that. It's totally not all
Alright,
over
so
the place.
also deep fried Fruit Loop and deep fried pretzels. Deep fried
Go back, go
deep
back.
fried baby. Deep fried Jacob. Deep
Yeah.
fried Ben.
Wait, what? Deep fried shirt.
No.
No, just.
I'm not another banana.
Deep fried veggie straw.
No.
That's a chip. Alright,
It's already deep fried.
move it down.
Whoa.
Deep fried corn kernels.
Popcorn kernels. Cute.
Alright.
What's glue?
Alright, this is the last because I don't want to burn the house down.
I wanna.
Yeah, this will be the last one.
Never mind.
What we're gonna do?
Never mind me down.
Be careful, don't touch the metal.
Why?
Else
Don't
do.
burn you.
Jake,
Watch
you
that.
should
Move,
probably
move.
turn that one off.
Move.
But oh yeah, turn that one off.
Oh yeah, of course. Ooh, mama.
I don't think that's good to go down the drain.
I wouldn't think so either. Oh no. That one little Fruit Loop. There we go.
Alright.
Probably a bit hot.
Yeah,
Pretzel.
they're-
Me.
how'd the pretzels look?
Ooh, they look good. Hot! Hot.
That's hot. Okay, that is hot. Well,
I just
it's hot.
it burned my finger.
Alright, I
It's
guess.
probably not good to go down the drain, but
Yeah.
oh well.
The moral of the
That burned
lesson:
my finger so bad.
don't put oil down the drain. Put
Alright,
it
this
down.
is mine. Let me-
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna eat our breakfast. Bye.